Right now, something exactly 15,000 light-years away is firing a massive, blinding beam of radio energy directly at Earth. It fires every 1,320 seconds. Not 1,321. Not 1,319. Exactly 1,320 seconds. And according to the absolute laws of physics, this object should not exist. This anomaly is releasing more energy in a single millisecond than our Sun produces in 3 entire days. If you placed it where our Moon is, it would strip away Earth's atmosphere instantly. Astrophysicists are completely divided. Some claim it is a dead star breaking the rules of the universe. Others whisper about something far more unsettling. What exactly is sending this mathematical heartbeat across the void? To understand why this is causing panic in the astronomy world, you have to understand the baseline. Normally, when massive stars die, they leave behind pulsars, super-dense cores that spin incredibly fast, flashing radio waves like a cosmic lighthouse. These normally spin in seconds or milliseconds. If they slow down too much, they cross what astrophysicists call the death line. They run out of energy and go completely dark. But here is where things get crazy. The signal we just detected has crossed that death line. It should not have a pulse at all. Before we decode the truth behind this cosmic message, make sure you hit follow and turn on notifications. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. Stay with me here, because by the end of this video, you will understand our universe completely differently. Let us retrace the steps. September 2022. Deep in the Australian outback, Dr. Natasha Hurley-Walker and her team are mapping the Milky Way using the Murchison Wide Field Array. Suddenly, the instruments capture a massive spike. It blinks for 5 agonizing minutes, and then vanishes. The team is stunned. Exactly 22 minutes later, it happens again. A mathematically perfect loop. When they looked back through decades of archival data, they found a terrifying truth. This object has been firing this exact rhythm since 1988, hiding in plain sight. But what is pulling the trigger? The leading scientific theory? It is a completely new class of object called an ultra-long-period magnetar. Imagine a dead star crushed down to the size of a city, wrapped in a magnetic field a trillion times stronger than Earth's. But remember that death line we talked about? This object is spinning far too slowly to generate radio waves naturally. It defies the standard model of astrophysics. It is exactly like finding an ancient clock with no gears, no battery, and no springs, that is somehow still perfectly ticking. But just when you thought you understood, the plot thickens. A second team operating the CHIME telescope in Canada just dropped a bombshell. They found a different signal, FRB 180916, firing in a strict 16-day cycle. Scientists around the world are now intensely debating this. A controversial paper from Harvard's Dr. Avi Loeb suggests we cannot rule out artificial origins, proposing these could be energy beacons pushing massive light sails for interstellar travel. Are we looking at zombie stars or engineered beacons? I genuinely want to know what you think about this. Are we just missing a massive piece of the physics puzzle, and these are just ultra-rare dead stars? Could it be a natural, exotic phenomenon we have not even named yet? Or is it possible, just possible, that a mathematically perfect signal firing for 35 years is artificial? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and I want to see where you stand. You might be thinking, why does this matter to me? This affects how we see our very place in the universe. If our laws of physics are wrong about the death line of stars, we literally have to rewrite the astrophysics textbooks. But if it is the alternative, it means we are not alone. It means someone, or something, operates on an energy scale we can barely comprehend. What you are seeing right now changes everything. It forces us to realize that the universe is not just a random collection of silent, floating rocks, it is an active, dynamic, and perhaps communicating network. But do not let the mystery terrify you. We are not in the dark anymore. Right now, scientists are pointing the world's most powerful instruments, like the new square kilometer array, directly at these coordinates. We are entering a golden age of astronomy. With next-generation technology clearing up the static of the cosmos, we are on the verge of a definitive answer. Science is progressing faster than ever before. But these signals are not the only impossible structures hiding in the dark. Next week, we are investigating the massive great attractor that is literally dragging our entire Milky Way galaxy toward it, and the newly discovered dark stars that might be powered by dark matter itself. You will not want to miss it. Thank you for uncovering these mysteries with me today. Remember, every time we look up, we are reading a message written in light from billions of years ago. We just have to learn the language. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.